I am not sure if you've heard this expression before, but in real estate, we love to describe homes as turnkey. And let me tell you something, this house right here is one of the most turnkey homes I have ever had the opportunity to represent. I want to welcome you to 20 Mile in the sought after neighborhood of Nocatee. This home has everything you've been looking for. There is seriously not one upgrade you need to do. Let's talk a little bit about it. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a downstairs primary suite with custom closet organizers. You head upstairs, there's a loft as well as an additional ensuite. And hello, look at this pool. Fenced-in backyard on the preserve. There's built-ins throughout the property. Everything you want has been taken care of. If you've been searching for a pool home in St. Johns County, this is the one to come take a look at. Can't wait to show you around.